So we're just continuing with video 2. Apparently I hit the a feature on my phone. So we're just starting in here, part 2. Shutting this guy up. So now we'll just put a couple pins in and then we'll be done with that step, but I'm going to leave that there at the moment and we'll swing back around and check the heart of the operation. Well, actually, not necessarily the heart of the operation because that'll be more on the PLC side of things, but let's take a look at this VFD. So here it takes a 5/32 screws. And then we'll go ahead and remove that. Come on. There we go. That's the back end of that. I think I'm going to get a better approach on that. Let's swing into some action. Come from this side. It's got the Logic 26S PLC. Then here we have our Schneider Electric VFD. So its model is it's rated for 20 horsepower, which is double the rated for the 10 horsepower motor, so that's good there. And one other thing to note, you won't have to worry about when you go to unscrew that lid of a nut being there, because they're recessed in there. So just here's a little sneak peek there. So feel free to remove that. They did a great job putting this together. It's definitely built solid. Little side view of the dryer. Or front view, actually. Thank you for tuning in to Snake River Rifle Works.